Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have my Teufel speaker and I'm going to tell you how can you easily manage auto power of function. So as you can see, let me zoom it in for you. It will take some time. Here we have auto power. We have off, on high or on low. If we set it to the middle one, we can set it to, as you can see, high. It means that we have our speaker auto powering off after a short period of time. If we set it to low, it means that the period of time is longer than in the middle one. I would guess that it is 30 minutes or 1 hour, and this is 30 or 20 minutes. And then now you just have to check it in the user manual. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye!